Hello everyone, I am Parmi Chaudhary. I am a member of Youth Red Cross SRKI Surat. In this presentation, I will be discussing widely about the component, challenges and future of being a global citizen. There are various ways to put up the definition of global citizen, but in a simple way, we can define someone a global citizen who is not only considered as citizen of his or her own state, but of the whole world, grouped under a label globalization, and creates a space for something that we could well call global citizenship. Term global citizen is being defined in 4th century BCE, where a term cosmopolitan is coined by Greeks, which can loosely be translated as a citizen of the world. Now let's look at the components of being a global citizen. The very term global citizen contains the word global in itself. So the basic component of this is one should aware of the wider world that transcends beyond the local boundaries. She should be aware of his duties that is to be performed by him or her to this world. One should have a holistic approach towards the world. He considers the world as a whole and not a collection of parts or segments. Tolerance is always been a part of the civilized society. He should be tolerant towards different race, creed, caste, religion, ethnicity, language, or anything that is different from him or his community. He should be curious and always hungry for the knowledge he can gain from his surroundings and various sources available to him, sources like internet. He respects diversity and different cultures prevailing around the world. He considers humanity as the greatest virtue of mankind and believes in secularism. Care for the environment is also a basic component of being a global citizen. A global citizen always respects Mother Nature. What does being a global citizen mean? Two types of global citizen are there. One who travel across the world and act like a global citizen, and one who live in its own local boundary and be a global citizen. So, how one can be a global citizen in a same boundary? By getting inspired by other cultures. As we all know, our country has various cultures and diversity, so he can be inspired by other cultures by making friends who is different from them and always lives in equality with them without any biasness, who celebrates happily every festival with them and without being judgmental, and he has his own opinions which are not affected by any other, and he is curious enough to travel various other places to get information. Challenges of being a global citizen. First and foremost challenge is education. Lack of global education is a major challenge. In fact, the teacher around the world should wear global lenses and navigate students to make world a better place, breaking the wall of classrooms to think beyond the boundaries. And by planning cultural fairs or festivals to introduce students outside their immediate community. Other ideology. Ideology is a major challenge, as in prevalence of different ideologies in the world. Sometimes one ideology does not match with another, and this clash is really harmful for the globalized world, like the Cold War between USA and USSR in 20th century. It gave rise to a bipolar world, which makes a significant impact on globalization. Language is a major hurdle because it doesn't have a unified language to communicate between different country and culture, but it can be overcome by having a strong resources like internet. Orthodoxy. As we all know, orthodoxy of religion hampers the progress of science and being a global citizen too. Staying in a confinement of certain types of beliefs obstructs oneself from getting exposed to the outside world. Domination of one culture over another. In some developing countries, the superiority of one culture over another culture is also a major challenge. The outcome of being a global citizen paves our way to a utopian world. A utopian world consists of like minded global citizens Utopia is a world free of conflicts, hunger, and unhappiness, where people live in peace and nurture respect for all. Actually, utopia is an imaginary concept, but the goal is to reach it as near as possible. Famous examples of global citizens are Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey, Barack Obama, Priyanka Chopra, Kailash Satyarthi, Rabindranath Tagore, and Hugh Evans. Taking example of Bill Gates, he has contributed much of his wealth for the service of people. He contributed in eradicating poverty and providing sustainable houses, especially in India. He worked with Indian government to fulfill the goal of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. But this doesn't mean that only a monetary contribution will make you a global citizen. If one thinks globally and acts locally, he too can be a global citizen in true sense. Here are my references, which I have used in making this presentation. Thank you.